Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lima's Airword, and as you can see, we're trying to create a beautiful look on our model. Yeah, this is my client. She hasn't done braid for the past 5 years. That's what she told me, and I'm trying to make her look comfortable with her hairline because she barely have front hairline. So as you can see, her head, her hairline is barely there. So we're going to be using a frontal to make this braid for her. So as you can see, the frontal, this is not a HD lace, Swiss or transparent lace. This is just a normal jean lace that you can see and buy wherever. So I'm trying to make this lace look as possible, natural giving look. So yes, I'm going to make this frontal lace really beautiful on her. This is us touching her hair and giving a braid. This is a knotless braid, as you can see. She wants this braid really long and full, so we're trying to make it long and full for her, just so it can come out very beautiful. As you can see, also hair is already getting done, and the frontal is giving scalp frontal. Oh my god, I did a whole lot of work to achieve this scalp turn out.
Sorry, so what did you say?
And she really loves it. This is the outcome of this, and it's already what she paid for. She's smiling and she's happy. Oh my god, this is the final result. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful.
Nice, continue.
This is really beautiful. You can locate us in Lekki, Lagos. I am just a phone call or a DM away. You can reach us on Instagram, Lima's Airword. Feel like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, because I'm going to give you guys more videos here on YouTube. Thank you guys.